kaunti ma Marsabit yuagora tichgi kagiwacho ni gikadho kwede kind jopiny makono kanonro yangu ni atamalo 65 mag lwenje kodocho ratich joma mine wuok e gwenge mantie nyandwat ma piny Kenya. Jasumria kuna jaten piny weche kitchwech Harriet Chigai koro dwaro mondo mi joma mine okaw ting' mar kendo ratichgi kendo gidonje timo helni kaka yorne onigi yudo omenda gi giwegi. Chigai wacho ni nitiere chike kod timbe mag oganda ma pod thiro dongruok mar mine kendo keto ngima kama rach ka mine ma rito nyithindo kendgi bende ojwang' ka isandogi gi joma chuo.
Unapata kwamba cartels wameingia kwa ofisi ya chief, wamemdanganya, chief amepeana barua ya kwenda kufanya succession. Na huyu cartel sio ambaye amewachiwa watoto. Kuna widow ambaye anateseka na mzigo wa kubeba hao watoto single-handedly. Kwa hivyo wajane, tuwe macho, tujue majukumu yetu ni yapi.
It touches the life of those people who sell miraa. It touches the life of women who sell charcoal. It touches the life of women who sell firewood in order to bring up their children.
Kutokana na project kama hii, tunaweza kufikia wajane wengi na tuhakikishe ya kuwa hakuna yule atabaki nyuma.
We also have the Matrimonial Properties Act, which also ensures the right to ownership of property in a marriage. And it says that all, both husband and wife have equal rights to the property that is gotten in the course of marriage.
FGM upande huu bado iko sawa, iko kwa sana. Muna lead na about 65%.